Hi, I'm Renee Aukes, a Lichtsinn RV sales consultant. Save thousands on the Winnebago Revel during our Revel Rollout Sale. The Revel is a Class B camper van that is purpose-built for travelers who want to venture beyond paved roads without sacrificing comfort. Built on the Mercedes-Benz all-wheel drive Sprinter chassis, the Revel combines exceptional off-road capability with premium off-grid technology, making it one of the most capable adventure vans today. The Revel and the Revel Sport provide similar features on the surface. Each model features a powered lift bed, flexible gear garage, hydronic heating system, and an advanced lithium power system allowing owners to stay off-grid for extended periods while providing space to store adventure gear. The Revel Sport is the essential adventure van with the same rugged all-wheel drive platform, flexible floor plan, and impressive gear hauling capability as the Revel, making it an excellent value for weekend travelers and occasional off-grid camping. The Revel builds upon that foundation with a significantly more robust power system, increased water capacity, upgraded off-road equipment, and additional premium interior amenities, making it the ideal choice for those planning longer, more remote adventures. If you're an outdoor adventurer and want the freedom to explore beyond traditional campgrounds while bringing along the gear and comforts for extended trips, the Winnebago Revel or Revel Sport is ideal for you. Contact myself or another sales consultant to learn more about the Winnebago Revel and Revel Sport and take advantage of our factory discounted pricing coupled with thousands in savings during our Revel Rollout Sale.